All right, guys, so you guys have a 2017 Chevy Traverse, right? And then you have the issue like I had, tire pressure monitoring system, right? It goes off, lets you know like you have low air pressure on your tires. So then you go check the infotainment system, right? So guess what? You check it and you find out which tire it is. I go on Google, I go on YouTube, I figure out how to reset it. Nothing. So like once I go to the infotainment system, guess what? Found out that it was the rear passenger side sensor. So I tried to reset it, didn't work. Guess what? I had to order a new sensor. Placed the order, got the part. Now we're just gonna show you how I'm gonna do it at home. I'm gonna break the bead, okay, with a motorcycle tire bead breaker that I had bought from Harbour Freight a couple years ago. So we're not gonna waste any time. We're just gonna go rip the wheel out, and then we're just gonna go and undo it here, show you what I did. Got the new one, we're gonna install it, and here we go, guys. Valve core removal. Alright guys, you're not gonna believe me. I had bought this for a motorcycle tire so that I can just break the bead on my motorcycle, okay? I'm not gonna Harbor Freight and spend some money. I'm gonna try this, give this a shot. It can only go about, let's just say, about a foot, no, 11 inches or whatever this size is, but I'm trying to force this tire. This tire is 255, okay? 55. And it's a size 20 rim, okay? So I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna put it in, see if I can break the bead, then I can change the sensor right here and there. All right guys, here we go. All right, there it is. There's a sensor. All I have to do is take it out of there, put my new sensor in place. Hey, I guess this little motorcycle bead breaker worked. Hey, I've had it for about 2 years. Now it's time for me to put this one in, take that one out, put an aftermarket one, and here we go. All right, so then you have this here valve core remover, plus there's threads in here, so that'll thread in there, and you're able to pull it out or pull it in. So here we go. done. Alright, let's see if we can seat the bead here. Alright, so it's now time to air up the tire. I'll clean the rim up so it'll look nice and neat. But I'm just gonna fill her up with air. And I can't forget, I gotta fix this nail. Where is it? There it is. Gotta take care of that also. I'll do that right now while there's no air, and then when I fill it up, it should be nice and sealed. Alright, almost got the nail out. Wasn't much in there, but still, I wouldn't trust it. I'll clean that up, put a tire plug kit here. I found one. Get that in, and then go air it up. Alright, here we go, guys. Here we go. Whew, pain in the ass. All right, plugs in. Cut it off now. So we have an outlet right here. There it is. I'm just gonna go and plug it in real quick. Here's my little compressor, battery powered. So here we go. My little Harbour Freight tire filler uses the battery, so we good. Lost the cap. I'll get another one. I think I have the original one anyway, so all right, that's it. Little tiny compressor. Have a gauge with it, and just gotta wait for the tire to get filled. It's already seated. I heard it pop. I just didn't record it. And I just gotta get to 35 psi. I'm finding a good angle. There you go, 35 psi. We should be good. I had to turn the vehicle on because it's running on the battery. So as soon as I turn the vehicle on, it started cranking. Okay, 35 psi is what it calls for. Okay, gotta get ready now. Take my jack out, bring this one down. There you go. Looks good. Done. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Let's see how long she'll hold. So now we're gonna put our key in. Check the infotainment system. As soon as I turn it on, it's gonna be accessory on, not fully on. All right. So now it tells you service, tire, monitor pressure. Also, I got low washer fluid. Okay. So with my handy tool here, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna reset things again. So then I was reading the manual. It says put it in accessory mode, then press both lock and unlock until you hear the horn. Okay. All right, that's what we wanted to hear. So now I gotta get out of the vehicle. It says tire activating, tire learning active. All right, so we go. And I gotta go to the valve stem with my nice fancy tool. Press the button until I hear the horn. All right, move over to the passenger side. Same thing. All right, here we go, our new sensor. Oh, that worked. It took. Last one. Come on. Yeah, it did all four. Now, we're going to turn the vehicle off. Turn it back on. And it should be reset. See what it says. See what it reads. Just washer fluid. That means all my tires are fixed. I don't have the low pressure tire anymore. Hey, job well done. I just gotta add my fluid now, washer fluid now. We good, guys? $5 tool. Okay. I got this at Amazon or eBay. I think it was $4.99 or something like that with $5. And then tax $5.30 or something like that. If you guys want to know about this one, this is mainly for GM. But I don't know if it'll do other vehicles. It takes a 9-volt battery in the back. That's it. Now I'm good to go. All right, guys. All right, guys. Just want to give you a heads up. You don't have to balance the tires. It's all done. Everything's set. And the reason why you don't have to balance the tire is because I only took one side of the wheel, one side of the tire out just to change the sensor, and the whole tire did not come out. And if the whole tire came out, then I have to go back and rebalance it, get it sent out, get it balanced out. And in that case, then I'll just send it to a shop and just do it. In the meantime, that's it, guys. I appreciate you. Like, share, subscribe. Keep it going. Thank you, guys.